Technology first started heating up with the discovery of fire. Humans learned how to use fire to their advantage for cooking, making pottery, and just keeping warm. The Sumerians invented the wheel around 3500 BC. With written languages, news of the wheel got around quickly, and the Egyptians used the wheel for moving massive blocks while constructing the Great Pyramids of Giza around 2600 BC. Our current millennium began during the Dark Ages, a time between the 5th and 15th century. Technology moved slowly, but technology was reborn in Southern Europe between 14 and 1600 AD. Men like Leonardo da Vinci made great contributions to science and mathematics. In 1684, Isaac Newton formulated the law of gravitation. Many have learned this law the hard way. Thomas Edison's inventions include the light bulb and the telegraph in 1837. San Francisco became home to the world's first cable cars in the 1870s. At the start of the 20th century, manufacturing techniques like Henry Ford's assembly line and division of labor made mass production a reality. The steam engine powered large ocean liners and locomotives until the 1940s, when the electric-powered train became the norm. As air travel became a common means of transportation, aircraft production rates steadily increased. Soon, almost every family owned an automobile. With the skyscraper, cities started looking like the modern metropolis. Television became a fixture in every home, bringing news and entertainment right into the living room. Scientific research and experimentation led to amazing advancements in space exploration during the 1960s. Like the first lunar landing in 1969 and the development of the space shuttle in 1981. Technology helps us defend the nation against attack and defend our bodies against disease thanks to the latest medical breakthroughs. Computers are bringing business and industry into the information age. A new millennium reveals new challenges and new opportunities for the future. Let's take a look at one technology that's giving us a better tomorrow right now.
Tomorrow's full-service OS available today.
The computer industry has changed dramatically over the last 10 years, shifting from a mainframe environment to a distributed environment. Users today want access to more information, and they want it quicker. Increased internet access has resulted in demands for improved information access devices and greater network resources. The industry needs solutions that give consumers what they need without increasing network investments. But low-cost computing environments can't become a reality until networks become as easy to use as the telephone, with connectivity as universal as telephony. The problem is, there's no information dial tone that offers easily accessible network connectivity, encrypted security, and portability across multiple platforms. One that provides network service providers, device manufacturers, and application developers with a small, secure, and efficient network and programming environment. Computer users need to securely communicate their applications over any network element or communications protocol while still remaining transparent. But with the traditional client-server environments, applications must be downloaded from servers to clients and executed at the client.
What businesses need today is a small footprint, real-time operating system that runs across many different types of networks and many different computing platforms. And Inferno addresses all of these issues.
So when OmniBox decided to launch its new interactive broadcast network, they looked for an operating system that provided seamless connectivity, one that allowed any network device to interface with any other device, machine, or network over any operating system. They chose to build on Lucent Technologies Inferno, a system that gave them the flexibility and openness their electronic commerce system required. Inferno's small size and support for multiple network devices without any application rewriting improved OmniBox's market responsiveness. It allowed them to transmit to different information and entertainment appliances, including PDAs, set-top boxes, and screen phones, and doing it with less than 1 megabyte of memory.
The primary reason OmniBox chose Inferno as an operating system was the ability to run in a native mode or an emulation mode. In the emulation mode, OmniBox could actually run on any other set-top operating system or PC operating system using Inferno, which would then allow us to run on a PC or a set-top box or a PDA of any manufacturer's choice once we knew what operating system that manufacturer was utilizing.
The Inferno environment was designed with a network infrastructure in mind. It's not dependent on local resources, maximizing the usage of the network. And it's the only real-time network operating system, offering programmers the ability to write once and run everywhere. It supports several real-time applications, such as video on demand, multimedia teleconferencing, internet telephony, and network switching. And it does this in the presence of traditional applications like electronic mail and desktop publishing. It's also a secure operating system, providing and supporting public key authentication, digital signatures, and encryption. In fact, it incorporates the latest cryptographic techniques into built-in security routines. Another security feature is namespaces, which restricts access to network resources. This makes only the resources and application needs visible. Inferno can also use the security features of the host operating system, including file permissions to control access.
OmniBox is heavily involved in electronic commerce, home banking, home shopping, financial services. It is vitally important to us that that information remain confidential and secure. Inferno's encrypted operating system allows us to give our customers peace of mind that in fact that information does remain confidential and secure.
The future will see more users working more places in an extremely flexible computing environment, but they'll still demand easy accessibility and connectivity. Companies on the cutting edge will provide it, putting information at everyone's fingertips on a variety of state-of-the-art internet access devices. Some in the computer industry are already working far ahead of the rest, developing future technology for their customers today.
For more information, access lucent.com/inferno.
Together for the first time anywhere, everything. Lucent Technologies presents Inferno, the first real-time network operating system that lets all kinds of devices chat or share info with each other over any network. A new Bell Labs innovation, Inferno allows video games to talk to computers, cell phones to access email, voicemail through TV, and so on. Providing true network portability, Inferno can change the way you work altogether. Start talking and call Lucent Technologies today.
We make the things that make communications work.